Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and welcome back. Surprise! I cut my hair. What do you guys think? It's cute, right? Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you think of this amazing new cute hairstyle. Today's video, we're going to be talking about applying individual lashes. I've had a request for this, so I thought, you know what? It's the holiday season, let's do it. So we're going to be using the House of Lashes individual lashes. This one right here. And we're also going to be testing out the lash glue that I have right here from Kala. I absolutely love their lashes, so I've never actually tried their lash glue before, so you know what? We're going to test that out. Guys, don't forget about the huge giveaway. So if you want to be entered into my amazing holiday giveaway to win one of these amazing Artiste brush sets, all you need to do is send me all 12 words of the day on my Instagram account. So just send me a message with all 12 words, and that enters you to win. I will contact the winner via Instagram on December 31st. Okay guys, if you want to see how I got these amazing lashes right here, stay tuned. Remember, smash that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get into it. Products I'm going to be using in today's video are lash tweezers, our individual lashes, black mascara, black liquid liner, and clear lash adhesive. So these individual lashes are basically one and done. So use it once. No one really takes them off in a way that you're going to reuse them. I mean, you could if you were like you really wanted to get that extra use out of them, but I mean this one is more of a triple lash, so it is possible, I would guess, to reuse them. Okay, first steps, I'm actually going to take my mascara and just apply that to my lashes. When I'm applying mascara, I always go in and I start at the root and I go all the way up under my lashes. I'm doing my top lashes, but I'm just starting at the bottom of them, root to tips. Then for second coat, I go in on the top of my lashes, root to tips. I'm just going to go in, apply mascara to the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go in and apply a liquid line to my upper lashes. Now I don't want anything super intense because the lashes are going to do all of that work for me, but I just put a tiny liquid line from the middle of my eye and I just tapered it in at the edge. So now I'm just going to unbox this adhesive. Don't need that. So this says it goes on clear. This is also waterproof and this is made by Kala. And I actually haven't used this product before, so I'm excited for it. And I'm going to just take the glue and dab a good amount right there on the paper towel. Before I go in, let's talk about curling your lashes. Really quick. My lashes, I don't ever really curl them, but if you find that your lashes are straight and you just need that extra lift, definitely go in and curl your lashes prior to putting on your mascara and then, you know, follow all of these steps. Just thought I would throw that out there for my girls that have, you know, stick straight lashes, right? Okay. I'm going to take my lash tweezers right here. We're going to pick it up closer to the knot. Just like that. So when you pick up your lash, you're going to want to make sure that the scoop is placed like this in your lash tweezer. So when you go to put that on your eye, like that, the lashes are flipped in the upright position. So I'm just dipping the lash into the lash glue just at the knot, because you don't want to actually get glue on the physical lash, mostly just on the knot. We're just gonna wave that around just for a quick second. So here's the thing about applying individual lashes is that, I mean, when you're applying actual lashes, it takes like a few moments for it to dry down. By moments, I mean like 2 to 3 minutes, right? So with this, I'll put it on a little bit wetter, but it's a smaller amount, so it dries down faster. So remember to be looking down into your mirror, and I'm applying the lash on the outer side of my lid, right here, this outer corner. That's where I'm starting to apply it first. So I'm just gonna let that dry down just for a quick second, then I'll take my lash tweezers and I will squeeze my lashes to the individual lash to make it more seamless. But you can already see it's giving me that dramatic lift. So I'm just gonna go in now, take my lash tweezers, and I'm going to squeeze my lash with the natural lash. I just took my nail and I tapped on my lash just to make sure that I've got a good bond between my natural lashes and the individual lash. But that's already giving me that dramatic lift and definition that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna go in, repeat that process a couple of times. I'm thinking maybe twice. So again, I'm just gonna go in, pick up my lash, make sure it's in the right position, and then I'm going to go into that glue. Okay, so now I've got my second lash. I'm going to go in and apply this lash right beside. So I left a little bit of a space there because I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply a third one right in the center. In the package of lashes, what I didn't talk about is that there's long, medium, and short. So obviously I started with the long for the outer part of my eye. We went in again for the second lash with the medium one, and now I'm going in for the short one to kind of fill it in towards the center of my eye. So with my lash set right here from House of Lashes, we have long ones, mediums, and shorts, okay? So obviously we're going to start with the longs, which I did do. The long one is the length that you're looking for as your lash extends. So you're going to put the long one where I placed it on your outer lash area. And then I went in with the second one, which was the medium one, and I put that one on the center. Okay, so now that I've gone in, I've dipped it into my glue, I'm going to apply the short one just right here. So more on the inner edge of my lashes, more towards the center. Just like that. I absolutely love this. The House of Lashes lashes, they look amazing. I obviously only have them on the one side, but I thought I would show you a before and after. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, repeat those exact same steps, apply the 3 lashes to my other eye, and I will be right back. Okay guys, my final thoughts and review on these lashes right here. I think they're really cute. Like, I think that they really glam up the eye. You know, they're not very hard to apply. They applied very seamlessly, very easy. I think that they're really, really cute. They do give that more lift and that glam, and really, you know, this is a more natural look. But I think they're so cute, so definitely I'd recommend them. Gold stars all the way. The Cala eyelash adhesive. This is the clear one, the waterproof one. Will I use this again? Probably not. This one's not terrible, it's just not my favorite. The reason why is because for me, it's soaked right into the paper towel. I'm working and I didn't even get the lash on before the product soaked into the paper towel. When I go in with the Duo lash adhesive, which is the one I would normally choose to go into to dip my lashes into when doing individual lashes, would be the clear from Duo. That one, it just stays on the paper towel. It will eventually dry down, but I can get, you know, my 3 to 6, you know, lashes, maybe even 8, whatever it is I'm doing, I can get it done with that one daub of glue. This one I had to apply, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 daubs of glue to apply 6 lashes because this kept just soaking into the paper towel and drying down. That's why this isn't my favorite. It's a really nice glue. Like, it dries down super clear, as you guys can see from the top of my lashes. Super, super clear. But am I gonna reach for it again? Probably not for a while. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this amazing video. Remember to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.